Okay guys, here we are, another video, the Electric Razor app YouTube channel. Today we're going to do this unboxing of the Remington PR1385. You can see there it's a Rotary Razor. Just in looking at the package here, 60-minute runtime, 90-minute charge time, 5-minute quick charge. This is waterproof as well. Basically, this is the same razor as the virtually indestructible Remington Rotary I reviewed a while ago, but of course with a lithium battery minus all the rubber accents. Antimicrobial additive. Usual 2-year warranty. Replacement for the head is SPR PR13. So let's dig right in here and let's see what we have inside. Hopefully. Slide it out. Okay, so we've got the adapter here. Let's open that up so you can see that. Oh, it's got the head cap as well in there too. Now some of the models, you can see this is actually the first Remington that I've reviewed that didn't have that supposed stubble attachment, right? That head cap that said doubled as a stubble attachment. Well, this definitely is solid, so you're not going to be reducing your beard to stubble with this. And I actually prefer this anyway. I find those caps that claim to be stubble attachments are just gimmicky, you know. Take out the adapter here. Oh, there's the cleaning brush as well. Oh, I thought that was the cleaning brush. No, it looks like the end looks like the cleaning brush, doesn't it? That kind of looks like the cleaning brush a little bit. There's the cleaning brush right here. They kind of resemble each other, don't they? So there you go. I don't know how. I guess this is okay if you want to brush it out after each shave or whatever, or once a week or whatever. You can do that. Give it a thorough cleaning with water, of course. Beyond that, we'll take this twist tie off here. There you go. It's like a fairly long cord here. And it is. It's very long. Probably 6 feet. And then we've got the charging stand as well. And I'm not a big fan of these charging stands, to be honest. It's just unnecessary, you know, but there it is. Remington charging stand. Okay. Of course, we've got the manual as well. There it is. And of course, the razor. Open that up. And there it is. Pretty shiny, as you can see. Red and black. The trimmer. Pop that up. There you go. Let's turn this on and see if we have power. Nope. No power at all, guys. Okay, let's open up this head though, and let's see what we have inside here. Perfectly clean. Look at that. No hair in that one today. That's good. Yeah, let's get another look at that. The head kind of went back down again. You can see that. Perfectly clean. So course, it's got the flexible heads here. Yeah, I think this is going to be good. I'm looking forward to using this. And of course, as always, you know, you don't have to use the charging stand. You can probably plug it right in directly here. Well, that didn't work out very well. Maybe they force you to use this thing. Let's try this. Okay, there we go. See that? Drop the razor down there. There we go. Okay, so I'm not too happy about that, because if you're traveling with this razor, you know, that instead of just taking the power cable and the razor, now you have to have the charging stand tag along too, which yeah, I'm not too crazy about that. But there you have it, guys. As you can see there, looks good. I'm going to charge this for the 90-minute recommended time, and then I'll do a shave with it and let you know how I think of it. So remember, if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to my Electric Razor App YouTube channel. Also, I want you to join the Electric Razor App message board, www.electricrazorapp.com. We've had a few new members lately. We need more, so join again if you haven't already. And also buymeacoffee.com/electricrazorapp. I want you to donate if you find these videos helpful, useful. Of course, this will continue to fund my razor purchases. Okay, so thanks again, guys, and remember, like this video, subscribe to the channel as well. The channel has grown quite a bit. That's it. That's all I have for now. Again, I'm going to be reviewing this razor, shaving with this razor in the next video. I will be doing a head shave video, so look for that in the next couple of days, or maybe even the next day or so. We'll see, but there you go, guys. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.